trouble, heavy hearted, come to Jesus and find your peace. If you're run down, empty-handed, come to Jesus and find your strength. He is hope for the hopeless, rest for the weary, help for the hurting. He is mending the broken, bearing the burdens, all that you need, and He is. If you're wandering in the darkness, come to Jesus and find your way. If you need freedom, need forgiveness, just come to Jesus and find His grace. He is hope for the hopeless, rest for the weary, help for the hurting. He is mending the broken, bearing the burdens, all that you need, and He is. Comforter, counselor, Prince of Peace, author and maker of everything, defender, deliverer, King of Kings. He is helper and healer forevermore, savior and shelter through every storm, my refuge, redeemer and Lord of Lords. He is child of heaven and son of man, provider, protector, the great I am, Alpha, Omega, beginning and end. He is hope for the hopeless, rest for the weary, help for the hurting. He is mending the broken, bearing the burdens, all that you need, and He is all that you need, and He is. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of He Is by Crowder. If you saw me using some chords in this cover that you didn't recognize, that's because this is an advanced guitar cover, which means I'm using advanced guitar chords. If you want to learn some of those chords, there's a link to the tutorial to the song down in the description below. Also in the description below, you'll find a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some more of these advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your guitar playing and level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.